I'm Monica Badnani, tarot card reader and spiritual healer. Welcome to the family. If you like my video, please subscribe, share it. So we'll be talking about Cancer, July to 2020 predictions. So this is the month of eclipse, we all know. We already have seen two eclipses. One was in three eclipses has already been gone. Two was in June, one was in January, and now again one is coming 4th and 5th July. It's a lunar eclipse. So let's see how it's for Cancers. Just give me a few minutes, few seconds rather, to remove cards for Cancer to see how it's been. Please watch my video till the end, as there is a simple technique for staying grounded, which I'll be showing you all. You may be knowing it, but what are the benefits of it, I will be telling you. So just give me 2 minutes. Okay, let's see what the cards are saying for Cancer. Yes, Cancerians, you may be feeling quite blessed, and you will see very positive development happening in your life. You know, there will be quite attraction in your face or something in your personality that people may feel attracted, like people will just feel like talking to you. You may be appreciated in your life. You'll feel getting appreciation, lot of admiring, like people will admire your friends, your colleagues, your professional life also. I see it happening very good. You'll see success. July month will be full of good news in both work and family. You will see a lot of good news coming in your life, in your family. You will see your life taking a 360-degree turn. As for you this month, as this month starts unfolding, bringing in lots and lots of good surprises in all aspects of life. You know, there are chances of someone coming in your life. You may just have a reunion with an old friend, which is very good. You know, there are going to be, like, you will feel as if suddenly your life has turned. You know, you will see a rainbow. How when a rainbow comes and we feel very happy and bright, you will see something like that, because there is a rainbow card here. You will find a new partner, I said, in love life. You will be very quite energetic and full of power, as if you have got a lot of power in you, and you will pursue towards your goal with effortlessly. You know, you will say, oh, this was very easy. I can aram se do it, you know, aise hoga. Money will flow in abundance, because I see money flowing like that. So money will flow in abundance for you. Closed door of opportunities will open up for you. You know, many people must have closed doors for you, or they wouldn't have. You will see suddenly all that coming back in your life. You know, closed doors which were closed, when, like, you used to always wonder when, like, this door will open for me. Okay, this closed doors will open, opportunities will arise for you. It's only take care little of food habits and maintain a healthy, good lifestyle with little bit of jogging and dancing. You know, because that will elevate your mood, as you're already in a very cheerful mood. You're feeling very happy about yourself, so you can literally jog and dance. You know, that will really take care of your physical health too, which will give you lots and lots of appreciation. So please do it. You'll find a lot of difference. For children or students, very good month for each and everyone. It's a very, very blessed month. So please take this opportunity and use it in your favor. You will be quite, chirpy. You'll feel very happy about it. Let go of all the anxiety or worries you had about anything which were worrying you. Just let go of it and move in this month with full of enthusiasm, and you will see all the doors opening up for you. So I will be waiting for your comments. So let me know how is your month. So before we end this, I would like you to tell about one mudra which I'll be showing you. But before that, I will talk about mudra. You know, we all know about mudras. We must have heard about it. So how does it help in our body? What does it actually do? What happens to our system when we do this mudra? There are many mudras which will keep coming on more videos. So let me just give you a very basic idea. Basically, our body is made up of 5 elements: Agni, Vayu, Akash, Bhumi, Jal. So when there is a disturbance in the body, it suffers from disease and imbalanced mind. So this mudra produces harmony among all body parts as well as correct functioning of the whole body. We have to do this mudra for 15 minutes. No, it's a very simple mudra. I think you may be knowing it also. So today's mudra which I'm going to teach you is going to have an effect on your mind. It will ground your mind and allow you to remain focused. It's very good for people who meditate. Yes, people can sit in meditation for hours. If they who love to meditate, they can sit for hours. You can break this mudra in 5 minutes. I would prefer doing it continuous, but you can break it also. You can, if you have 5 minutes, please, just sit in a calm state of mind, and you will see how it balances your energies. It changes your energy, and you will feel new ideas coming in your mind, because once your body is in harmony, your mind is in harmony with your body. Lots of there's a lot of clarity in life. So this mudra will calm your mind, uplift your mood, you'll have clear thinking. So what else you need? It's a very simple mudra. I said clear thinking, clarity in life. So let's work on it. Take first two fingers and thumb, join it together and just sit in this receptive mode. And when you are sitting with that, you can just calmly close your eyes. And as we all know, Om is a universal mantra. You can chant Om, or you're free to not chant also anything. You don't need to chant. You just have to sit and focus and concentrate. You will see your focus is there. Your visualization power increases. You can visualize your future. You can attract lots of positivity in your life by just doing this simple mudra. So if you just do it. So thank you very much. See you soon.